Sorry, boys, my shit crashed. We're back, chat. We're back. My shit crashed. I don't know why. My shit crashed. I think I need to get a new PC, bro. I've only had this one for a year. Maybe I'll do this to you. Alright, boys. Gold is, let me see. Yeah, gold still just ranging here, waiting for a breakout. UJ. What was this position? I don't know. UJ. Ooh. UJ did have a comp. UJ did have a comp earlier today at 12:15. Fucking hell, dude! London has so much better. London has so much better comps than New York these days, chat. London is the fucking. If you guys only trade comps, London is the way to go. London is the fucking way to go if you only trade comps. I swear. There's a reason Omar only trades London. He knows. He knows. GU. Yeah, GU comp. This comp right here didn't play out, but the reason it didn't play out is very simple, chat. I would have waited for a closure above here. You did not close above this area right here. That's why. Look at that. That's why it didn't play out. AUD USD, beautiful comp. Did not tap it though. This comp was nice though. Or no, I wouldn't take that. Never mind. I wouldn't take that either. Or yeah, I would. Yeah, I would. Never mind. Yeah, I would. I would take this comp. I would take this comp, chat. And then a lot of you guys would be like, oh, boy, but there's an imbalance above. Listen, you fuck. Listen. Look on the other side. Oh, what is that? This is an imbalance. This is a fill of this imbalance. So they cancel each other out. Right? Which means that this isn't a clear imbalance. That's why. So, AU comp was nice as well. This was also happened. This happened way too early. This happened at 6:30 a.m. I would never be able to catch that because I am sleeping. Use the CAD. No. I'll be careful with that compensation play. Look where you're tapping. Look where you're tapping. Tapping into this decision area on USD CAD. So I would not take this compensation play. Remember what I said about compensation plays, chat? The further in the trend the comp is, the less likely it is to play out. You want to catch the comp as early in the trend as possible. So let's say you have consolidation and you have a trend. Right? The compensation play that happens here is going to be way less likely to work out than the compensation play that happens down here. Right? You want to catch the compensation play as quick as possible. As soon as the trend starts, not at the end of the trend. Because the further the trend goes, the likelier it is to reverse. Right? So, in this case, on the USD CAD, you have a trend that is very overextended. As you guys see, look at this fucking trend. Huge trend. Right? And now you're also tapping into very strong decision area on the 4 hour. which will likely give you a reversal. So that's why I would not take this comp to the upside. GBP still dumping. Gold coming down. Okay, interesting. We got news in, when's the news, chat? When is news? Anybody knows when news is? Oh! Why don't you live stream London then? Just too early. I see Bay waking up at that time, to be honest. That's the only reason. There's no real reason. It's just like, can't be bothered waking up, chat. Can't be bothered waking up at 6 AM just to trade London. I might as well just trade New York then. It's just, I would, but we got Omar taking care of London. Where is Omar today, by the way? What the fuck is that guy doing today? What the hell is Omar doing today? Why wasn't he live? Draw trend line on the 4-hour on gold. Yeah, I see. Or you're kind of below the trend line, I'll be honest. Tory trades would be salivating at this point. But yeah, you're kind of... Nice area. Key area, key area, key area. No, I'm expecting some bullish price action, chat. I mean, from top to bottom. Oh. Oh. I thought you meant... Oh, my bad. What do you think of the orb strategy that's very famous on IG right now? Haven't paid any attention to it, so I don't even know what it is. What is it? Order block? I have no comment because I don't know how to use it, so can't tell you guys. I couldn't tell you. Sorry. So sorry. Alright, chat. We got news in, I think, 12 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's in 12 minutes. Point 40 minutes. We got news in 40 minutes. How can you change the interval on the end of the flash pro and interval on the end of the flash? What do you mean by interval? I'm not sure what you mean by interval, bro. Like time, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, etc. Oh. I have to share my screen, hold on. So what you do is, basically, what you do is right here, as you can see, you have the time frame right here. You have the chart. You can press here to activate trading view, which I like. And then to the left hand side, you have the hourly time frame, the hourly time frame, and here you can choose 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, etc. etc. Hope that clears up your worries. What's up, Bart? You look Mexican. What's up with the wacky accent? What do you mean I look Mexican, bro? I mean, I think of it as a compliment, bro. Mexicans are handsome people. Wacky accent? No, nothing special, bro. I'm just trying to... Sometimes I want to sound more sophisticated than I am. And I think a British accent does that pretty well, you know? I look Mexican. ¿Qué? ¿Qué? ¿Qué, cabrón? How you been doing, man? Long time no see. I've been alright, bro. Been alright. Been doing well. I've been on vacations. I've been enjoying the sun here in Sweden. It's been pretty good weather. Trading has been moving pretty nicely. Everything is on its course. Business is booming, you know. We're good. We're doing good. We're doing good. Thank God. How you been, Jose? How are the kids? How do you place a limit order in NLF? How do you place a limit order in NLF? Okay, so the way on NLF, you mean on Match Trader. So the way this works is, hold on. So what you do is you go to here, you press new order, pending order, and then you type in the price you want to enter in. So let's say you want to enter, if you enter a price that is above current price, let's say you type in 33.25, like so, you will have sell limit and buy stop here, because those are only two pending orders you can have when you want to take a position that's above current price. And then if you type in a price that is below current price, let's say 33.10, these will switch. So now you have sell stop and buy limit instead, right? And then you just press here. That's how you do it, boys and galdem. 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 Oh, that song that was on earlier was pretty good. Let me see. What was the name of it? The name of it was... It was... It was this. It was this. Are you looking to trade news? If yes, I wouldn't be opposed to it. No. I would not be opposed to trading news if news doesn't have too much of an impact. ¿Qué pasa? Bien. Muy bien. ¿Qué pasa tú? ¿Y tú? Pero XAU USD, pero no bien. Un momento. No rápido. No rápido, volume. Volume no rápido. Muy difícil. Muy difícil. Un momento. Where's the 2.5M? 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 What's 2.5M? 2.5 minute chart? Why do I have so many? Chat, for some reason I have so many Spanish people. Like, I get so many Hispanic people in my streams. I think the Spanish community is huge when it comes to trading. If I could just speak Spanish, bro, I'd be twice as big. I think this Hispanic community is huge. Que lo que? It's a joke, bro. You Bardingo. My bad. My bad. Come on now, boys. We gotta see some movement happening, chat. We gotta see some movement happening. Come on. You've been practicing, but I'm Portuguese. Oh. They're all on the lunchtime naps when you stream. No, chat. Literally, the only reason I know it. I can't even speak Spanish. I just said shit. I don't even know how you guys could believe. I literally just said shit. Random shit. But, I studied Spanish for like 2 years and when I was 16 to 17. So that's why. Any live entries today, Chad? No. No. I want to learn Russian. Russian women are fine as fuck, yeah. You know what I don't like though? Russian women are fine. I hate... The most unattractive thing is a Russian English accent. Hello. Like, I fucking hate that. So unattractive. As soon as she opens her mouth and that noise comes out, I'm like, get the fuck away from me. Putina. Yeah, but the women there are possessive and aggressive as possessive as fucking aggressive. Yeah, I can't have that. The reason why you have as many people who speak Spanish is because earning dollars while living in a Spanish-speaking country is a dream, bro. True? True, 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 true. No, Spanish people are hard workers. Or Hispanics. Hard workers. Speak Albanian? No. I won't speak Albanian. I only speak Albanian with my parents and my cousins. Speak Latin? Hold on. Now you're asking a bit too much of me, chat. I can speak money though. Ow! Alright. You see, NY yesterday was the same thing. Slow as fuck. That mic. Why did my mic taste so fucking salty, bro? Chad, do y'all know how disgusting mics are? Like, imagine how disgusting mics are. You know? Like, especially those mics that have been used by multiple artists, you know, in like those big arenas. But imagine how disgusting they are. People just singing and spitting all over them each night. Fucking hell. I just realized. Sending like 5 people from my Discord on your live stream. Hopefully learn something new. Hopefully learn something new, man. Hopefully. Man's fluent in USD? For sure. For sure. Are you good? Yes, I'm good. I'm holding up, chat. I'm holding up. I'm holding up. Alright. Gold, can we see some fucking movement, please? Ugh. How do you zoom in and out of trading view, bro? If you look down on your right hand, you're probably holding something called a mouse. A mouse is this. I'm retarded. Chat, I held up my mouse and I wanted to press something on my computer, so I tried. I forgot I held up a mouse with my left hand and I tried to find it with my right hand. Anyways, you have a mouse. This is a mouse, right? And on your mouse, on the middle, you have this thing that you can scroll here. Well, hold on. Right? And if you scroll that, you can zoom in and you can zoom out. Right? And but here you only stretch it. Right? You only stretch it. If you want to zoom out like this as well, you have to go here, left click, and then boom. Chat. That's how you do it. Right? So here you zoom, you stretch it upwards and downwards, and on the scroll you stretch it sideways. Oye Bard, pronto perdere mi cuenta por culpa tu señales VIP. No me interesa aprender el manual, ya que quieras seguir las señales para pasar de cuenta. Pensé que tus señales serían revolucionarias, pero me equivoqué. Me arruinaron de los 2 meses. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? Okay, I understand. You said you're about to lose because of signals. Well, you cannot say that because you haven't even followed the signals. So that's weird. We told you to close break even. You decided to hold. I hit a TP. I hit a full TP trade yesterday, 120 pips. You decided to not take it. You know, when you don't follow what I say and then something happens to you, you can't be like, but Bard, what the fuck is that? No, I told you what to do. You didn't do it. So now blame yourself, right? If you don't take, If you don't do what I say to do in signals, then it's your own trade. Then it's not my trade anymore. Right? I've taken the same trades as I sent on signals, and I'm up. Here's my, I can prove it. I can prove it, hold on. Here's my 200k account. I'm up 5.2. No, that's not 5. I'm up roughly 3%. Almost 3% I'm up. Right? Close positions. Here was the position from yesterday. Here's a signal from yesterday. 2 made 1%. You know, so I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Okay, gold is coming down here, chat. Gold is coming down. Interesting, interesting. We have news in 26 minutes. Also, yesterday we took what TP as well. I forgot. Yesterday we took a TP as well with Omar. Did you take that one yesterday? Omar's trade yesterday? Bro, no digas que es culpa de él. Bro, no digas que es culpa de él. Cada uno tiene que tomar sus propias decisiones y si tú estás mal es por ti, bro. En vez de seguir las señales, tal vez deberías tú aprender y ser independiente. No. Esa es una afirmación bastante cierta. Yo, chat. I swear I haven't spoken Spanish in 5 years. Chat, do not bully me, alright? For me, I stopped taking Omar trade as he said he's only doing it for fun. Yeah, he might only do it for fun. The guy has 14 wins and 3 losses. So, I mean, why wouldn't you not take his signals? Plus, he took 2 trades when he's news around the corner. Didn't like that because that is not the playbook. Well, here's the thing, bro. When I tell you study the playbook, you're like, no, I want to just take signals. I don't want to study the playbook. And then when you say take signals, you're like, oh, no, that's not a part of the playbook. Which one is it? Do you want to take signals or do you want to learn the playbook and follow the playbook? Choose. Is that head and shoulders on the 30 minutes? That's short indication on gold. Technically, that's a head and shoulders. Yes, that is head and shoulders. Yes, technically. It is a short indication. I mean, and if we close below 3,309, I will short. I'll look for shorts. We got news here in 22 minutes. As for the other pairs, let's see. We got any no-wick plays, compensation plays? Nothing. Nothing. When you're going to Turkey, bro? All right. All right. All right. All right, buddy. See, bro, we learned a lot with you. I'm up. Sewer, are you sure? Sewer, it's a crazy name. Cells, of course. What do you think? I'm up 11 pips on gold so far. 25 minutes, 110 pips. Nice. This is the best of us. It's alright, man. Listen, I don't have to go to Turkey, alright? My hairline is immaculate. My hairline is immaculate when I have my hair down, alright? Here's the thing. Nobody needs to see. Nobody needs to see what's beneath my hair, alright? Nobody needs to see it. When I'm new to trading, should I start with funded accounts? I have no clue what it is. Or just my money. Start with funded accounts. Bro, I can't hear you well, Chad. What do you mean can't hear me well? You guys should be able to hear me. What is a funded account? Please, like, it's hard to explain and it's gonna take a while, so just search it up, bro. There are people that explains that shit way better than me, and you can find so much more information online. Me explaining it to you would be me doing you a disservice. So I'm far more cooked than you. I mean, you're good, bro. Don't worry. Don't worry about it, chat. Don't worry about it, bro. You're good. You know, it is what it is. There's far more important things, chat, than your hairline. Hold on, my brother's calling me. Should you trade on Newsday with a funded account like today's news? Yes, you can do that, of course. Not exactly when news comes out, but you can trade before that. No worries. As long as you trade like during news, you're good. Ugh. A fuego, papi. Money can't get you abs. It actually can. It actually can. Believe it or not, it can. Like, I know a bunch of celebrities, I don't know them, but I've heard of a bunch of celebrities that like do fucking fake abs. Waiting for news to see gold movement. Gold did reject pretty nicely off of that area. Off of that support right there. Seems to have been a liquidity grab, chat. Look at that. Seems to have been a pretty nice liquidity grab. Ooh, look at that 15 closure. Oh my days. There is a good amount of volume, I can't lie. That was an 80 pip 15-minute candle. How the fuck does that work? I don't know how that works. I just know people have done it. Like Drake. Drake has fake abs. And if not, are there some chats? Wait, me, Bard alone chilling by ourselves with him. What the fuck? And if not, well, first, then I'm dumb. Hold on, are there chats I'm not seeing? Because I literally, you guys are just speaking out of context at this point. I'm crashing out. Why? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Alright, chat. GU nothing, AU nothing. Chat, why? NY session last few days, chat, has I think I'm crashing out as well. What the actual fuck? Nothing to take. No, I know. It's actually sad right now. Price action is so sad right now, chat. Like I want to like almost cry. No worries, chat. No worries. Trading is about waiting for the right opportunity, not getting every opportunity. All right. Come on now, chat. We know this shit. Trading is all about taking the right opportunities, waiting for your turn, waiting for your position, waiting for your strategy to align with the charts. Once that happens, we take a position, TP or stop loss, doesn't matter, we move on. I was gonna say no force trades. No, we're not gonna force trades. No way. No force trades here, chat. We're gonna stay disciplined. It might seem right now like price is boring, and yes, it is boring. But hey, this is the thing about streaming. If I wasn't streaming, chat, right now I'd be like playing video games. I swear. I'd be playing video games. Yo, those emojis. Alright, Chad, we got another 11 minutes for news to come out. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know. Alright, boys and girls. Hopefully we see some movement from news. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. Gold filling the wick down that the 15 made. Obviously the 15 did create a big top wick, bottom wick, and is still... Alright, chat. 7 minutes left and we got news. Come on now. To anybody that, by the way, to anybody one of you guys that got the Playbook or got the NLF account with $50, or spend more than $50 with NLF, and your Playbook email is gonna come within 24 hours. So just wait. If you haven't gotten the email yet, don't stress. Your email will be there in 24 hours. And for you guys that don't know, right now, if you guys want the Playbook, we're not selling it anymore separately. You have to get a NLF account, spend more than $50 on Next Level Funded, and you will get the Playbook for free, which is an insane offer that we're still running. Okay, maybe that's why I still getting it. No, exactly. You'll get it. You'll get it within 24 hours. Just be patient. Be patient with us. We're working. We're working around the clock. But yeah, I mean, this, you guys, there's just we just got an honest review. So go to the Discord. We just got an honest review. I can even read it out here. I can even read it out here for y'all. QTC Playbook V2 is a game changer for me. After trying multiple strategies, I was unprofitable for 5 months. Then I got the Playbook and trying the comp play strategy on break even for a month while learning the comp play. Then Omar did a journal review with me on his live stream and showed me some of my mistakes and shared some of his secret sauce. So after I refined my strategy, I haven't lost a trade since last Friday. Hope I didn't jinx my win streak. Thanks to Bard and Omar QTC, I'm up 6% now. That's what's achievable with the playbook, chat. And right now you can get the playbook literally for free if you spend more than $50 on a next level funded account. So go to link in bio, buy a next level funded account, where you will get a funded account as well, and then you'll get the playbook for free. Why is your mustache not linked together? Fuck, why'd you guys notice? Why'd you get paid review? No, you can ask him. It's not a paid review. Why'd you guys notice? It is linked together. I just have to, hold on, chat. I swear it's linked together. I don't know, for some fucking reason, my mustache doesn't grow in the middle here. You have to trim that shit, chat. It's kind of growing on my lips, man. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. I'm sorry you guys had to see that shit. The opposite of Hitler. The opposite of Hitler is crazy. I swear. Just invert Hitler and you get me. Yo, that's the craziest shit I've ever heard in my life. I swear I haven't. That was the most creative roast I've ever heard in my life, and I can't even be mad. I can't even be mad because it's true. I don't know, for some reason my mustache doesn't grow in the middle. It just grows on the sides. Cut it out, you'll look way younger. I don't want to look younger, bro. I already look young as I am, bro. I'm 22. Imagine I'm 22 years old, Chad. I'm 22 years old and I look like I'm 17. All right, so if I cut the mustache, bro, I'll look like I'm 12. And you guys will be watching a minor on stream. Do you guys want that? Do you guys want to sit here and learn trading from a minor? That gap in the middle is a spread. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. Man, fuck y'all. What can I do, huh? You can't have everything in this life, chat. Can we be honest? Yes, you can be honest. Use in 3 minutes, chat. I can't grow a beard as well, so I don't feel bad. You see, I think a lot of guys have that problem. I think I'm not the only one, chat. I think a lot of guys, more guys than you guys think, have problem growing a beard. All right, the only people that can grow a beard are people from the Middle East, but they also have hair everywhere else on their body as well. You know, I swear, I see some, like, I've been going to the gym sometimes and I see some 12-year-old guy from Iran and he has a fucking, he looks like he has like a full beard, bro, and he's like 13. And I'm out here, 22, with 3 hairs on my chin. And a reverse Hitler mustache. Life's not fair sometimes. Bro, I'm Asian. I can't grow beard. Asians have trouble too. If you're Asian, and I'm not talking like Asian as in, I'm not talking Asian as in, you know, like Indian or Pakistani. Like those guys can grow beards. I'm talking like Asian as in like Chinese. Like, you know, the yellow Asians. Yellow Asians can't grow beards either. Like I'm talking Chinese. I'm talking Japanese. I'm talking like Korean people. I think I've never. I think I've. I don't think I've ever seen a Chinese guy with a beard. I don't think I've ever seen a Chinese guy with a beard, chat. It's just me. Alright, news coming out, chat. Be ready. News coming out in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, news barely did anything. We have a no wick though, so it could potentially enter a flip play here, chat. Could potentially enter a flip play. Okay, there's a flip, never mind. I think he's gonna flip here. Yeah, that's a flip, chat. Unfortunately, we couldn't enter the flip play. News bad for dollar. Nice. Yeah, that's the flip, that's the push. Alright, in that case, gold should be bullish. Monks don't have beards, chat. Monks don't have beards. Hold on, let me search that shit up. Chinese guy with beard. Oh, okay, maybe they do get beards. But very few of them. Most of the Chinese people don't get beards, chat. Very few people get beards. Korean guy with beard. Yeah, maybe they do get beards, but it's not like usually I think Asian people have a hard time growing beards as well. Like yellow Asians. Not brown Asians. I want a short head and shoulders, but I'm waiting. News bad for dollar. The price projects the previous high. I gotta go to bed. I mean, let's see the DXY. Yeah, I mean, news barely did anything, chat, so we can still trade normally. I have to go in about 30 minutes though, so I'm gonna end streaming in 30 minutes, but until then, hopefully we can get some sort of positions. Otherwise, if I get a position later today, I'll send it as signals. Yo, Bart, where do I get the 50k and playbook option on another website? There's not really an option. What you do is you get, if you buy an account worth more than $50, you automatically get an email sent to you with the playbook. So you don't have to worry about that. You just spend more than $50 and you'll get the playbook sent to you from email. Will the July 50 code get me that? No, the code doesn't matter. Nothing like that matters. All that matters is if you spend more than $50. If you spend more than $50, you will get the playbook. If not, you will not get the playbook. As simple as that. You can use codes. You can do whatever you want. Alright, gold is dumping here, chat. I think we might see some sells. That flip play would have been so nice, but unfortunately we couldn't take it. Because it flipped way too quick, but that flip play would have been amazing. But 50k is $50, right? I don't know if we're still running that promo. You'll have to check. Break and retest? Yeah, you can definitely take a break and retest here. You can definitely take break and retest, chat. But that's if you break it. You might also reject here, chat. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Yo, what's good, Omar? How you doing, bro? What was up this morning? What'd you do? Why didn't you stream London? We were waiting for you, or I guess the guys were waiting for you. The market wasn't that structured. I guess you're right, but you did have some nice comps though. You did have some nice comps. UG had a nice comp right here. Bro, no way this UG comp worked. Damn, this shit played out, chat. This reversal comp played out as well. I think there's way too much bearish pressure on gold, chat. I think gold might see a dump here very soon. I would need to break the high for me to take it on UJ. Oh, I mean this one, yeah. I see. Yeah, I would have taken this UJ play either way if I saw it. The reason is this decision area here as well. So there was a decision area right at this play. So reject hard, pump hard, reject hard, dump hard, pump hard, reject hard, right? So it's a big decision area. So since we tapped that decision area and it's a comp as well, those are two big confluences for me. So I would have taken that either way. But this happened at like 12, where I wasn't looking at the charts at that time. I was on my daily walk. I love walking, chat. I walk every day. Third step for the trend reversal confirmation. No, I see that. Gold is moving really bad, chat. Gold does not have clear structure at all, in my opinion, right now. It's just consolidating. It doesn't know what to do in that area. I'm gonna be careful with gold here. I will drop quote of the day and leave. Alright, Master Omar. Yo, bro, why you aura farming? A person who follows the comp play to the T will have at least a 90% win rate. Facts. Only facts. And now Omar's gonna dip. He dropped the fact of the day, and I was gonna dip. Man, this guy's aura farming. He's right though. Yo, Filipinos are brown Asians, yet they can't grow beard. You proved me wrong. Good job. Are Filipinos brown Asians though? I feel like Filipinos might be more yellow. Or am I wrong, chat? Filipino people. Yeah, no, they're brown. They're brown. They're definitely brown. Definitely brown. Filipinos got pretty girls though. I can't lie. My guy, good luck with the trading today. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Bard be in those pataka houses. What the fuck is a pataka house, chat? Pataka house? What the fuck is a pataka house, man? I searched it up. I don't understand anything. You guys are tripping. You guys are tripping balls. Okay, gold is rejecting. Even like buys above here wouldn't be too bad, chat. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. Even like buys above here, like this to catch this quick move, like this boom. I think once you break here, boom, it's gonna be a quick move up like this. This range here is gonna get filled very quickly, chat. Can't lie to y'all. Bro, going their capital is a fake Venice river. What are you guys talking about? What the fuck are you guys talking about right now? Please. First of all, what is a pataka? Second of all, which capital are you talking about? Where is the fake Venice river? Why are you guys just talking out of context? I don't understand anything, chat. My brain is fried. My brain is getting fried from this shit. Philippines, Manila. Manila. Oh. Oh, it looked beautiful though. It looks nice though. Manila looks nice though. I can't lie to y'all. Damn, the more I learn about the world, the more I understand how little I've seen of it. I've never been to any Asian country, chat. I've never been to Philippines, Thailand, North Korea, or any of these countries. I gotta go someday though. Damn. Why don't you travel? I don't know, I just think it takes too much time. It just takes so much time, Chad, to travel. I can't lie to y'all. It just, I don't know. Like to travel to like Asia, you have to take at least like a 10-hour flight from here. All right, new chat. Let's fucking go. 15 just opened with no bottom wick on the gold, and it's currently pushing up. Let's hope this closes with no bottom wick and we can get a nice compensation play. Ooh, GBP USD comp play as well, chat. Don't mind if I do. I don't care. Y'all be like, oh, bro, this against the trend. Listen, look at this crazy imbalance, right? You failed to break above the imbalance here. You grab liquidity. And now, if you do something like this, bro, I'll easily take those buys because we have such a good RR, right? Stop loss below here, take profit all the way up here, chat. We'll have an insane RR, but this baby's going to flip now. And gold will likely flip as well. Please, gold. I'm begging you, gold. Please. Please, gold, don't flip. I'm begging you. Did we just fucking flip? Did we just flip and reflip? Man, I'm gonna break my monitor. Should I trade with 5 lot on gold to recover my account? No, you should never increase your risk just because you want to recover your account. You keep the same risk regardless. Gold slipped, yeah, I saw that. Probably no trades for today. No, bro. NY has been torture to trade these last few days. Like, the best trades, in my opinion, happen London or like late New York, like after New York ends. Do a handstand and we'll get an insane play on stream. No handstands anymore, chat. Last time I did a handstand on stream, I almost broke my neck. That shit ain't happening again. I refuse. I refuse. I can't do a handstand, chat. I can't. Yo, where's the physique reveal now? So you've been getting lazy? No, I'm not getting lazy, chat. I can show you guys my physique. I swear, I've been working out pretty consistently. I can't lie, I've been working pretty consistently. I posted on my story, chat. I've been working out pretty consistently. The chat, the physique is coming, chat. The physique is doing its thing. This is a picture from my from the vacation I was on. The physique is coming along, chat. The physique is coming along slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. I just have to eat more, that's all. I just have to eat more. Here's a picture of my back as well. Alright, the physique is coming along, chat. Don't worry. Don't worry. You look like a 17 years old? Fuck you. How was the vacation? The vacation was amazing. Amazing. Clean photos? Thank you, man. Chat, rate this dive. Rate this dive, chat. Rate this dive. Yo, I look like a retard. Solid 2, solid 6, 8. 8! My god! I'll take an 8. I'll take an 8. Nah, I'm just gonna read the one that says 8. Fuck y'all. I'm not a diver, chat. Alright, for a trader, that's a good dive. For a trader, that's a good dive. We're talking 1 to 100 scale. Fuck you. No, we're not. Oh, jeez. Alright, you can't, chat. You can't rate me based off of professionals. Rate me based off of a normal bloke. Normal guy. How good is it for a normal guy dive? How good is it for a normal? I would say it's a 6, between a 6, 7 on a good day. I think it's a 7. I would say a 7. You know, legs could have been a bit straighter. Maybe a little bit less of a splash. You're scared to touch the water? No, I was asking the person that filmed. I was like, are you filming? Are you filming? That's why I was looking back so many times. Like, yo, you're filming this shit because this is going to be insane. That's why. I promise, chat. Alright, okay, the buys. I told y'all, we're still bullish on gold, chat. Let's see if the 5 can close nicely above here, and we should see a pretty easy push. This should be a pretty easy push, chat. All the way up here. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's more than likely gonna push up all the way. to 33.27. Jeez, that's a 70 pip 5-minute candle. The volume is not too bad right now. Volume is actually pretty decent. If we can get a no wick play on this next 30 minute, that'd be fucking nice. Right, 30 minutes comes down and we can get a nice play up. Two normal guy on his best turn. Are you streaming on Thursday? Yes, but on the NLF account. So I will be streaming, but I will be streaming for NLF, not on my account. I should be seeing pretty decent push here, chat. Next 30 minutes should give us a nice push up to 33.27. Especially after, look at this, chat. Look at this liquidity grab down here. Beautiful liquidity grab. Right below the low. Stop people out. And now you should be pushing up. Next 30 opening in 2 minutes. If you close above here, that's going to be amazing. Bengaluru market. Okay. Y'all just be saying shit. Y'all just be saying shit. I swear y'all just be spouting nonsense. Alright, chat. I'll wait till this. If you don't get a position off of this next 30 candle, I'll end stream. But I'm hoping we get a no wick play here. So we open up on this current 30-minute candle. We make a bottom wick with no top wick, and we enter a buy. That's my plan here. Oh. Ah, chat. That would have created generational wealth. I'm just telling you, Chad. That shit would have created that generational wealth. We can still enter here though. That's a micro wick. We can still enter here. If we tap 3320.3, I'm gonna still enter here, Chad. Because we just closed above, we just continue the trend upwards. We should see a bottom wick, a retest, and then a rejection from there and a flip on this current 30. So if we come down even with this small top wick, I'm still gonna enter. So be ready here, boys. If we flip here, then if we flip and just create a top wick and just fill, then not much we can do. But if we keep coming down here, I'm gonna look to enter at around 3320, 3321. Okay, be ready here, boys. We might get an entry. We might get a beautiful entry here. Fuck, don't flip, don't flip. The 4 hour looks amazing to come up as well. Just grab those lows and flipped. Look at that 4 hour, it looks amazing. Daily looks good as well. To come up and create that top wick before heading down further. So let's hope this 30 gives us something. Okay, okay, okay. Come on now. Come on now. Never mind. That's the flip, chat. Alright, not much we can do, boys. That's the flip, so... Almost got to play around, we were like, what? I mean, as long as we don't break the previous wick, we're good. You can still take this play, by the way, chat. Just so y'all know. You can still take this play. But now it's way overdue. We just flipped on this 30. 30 is probably going to fill the wick up. And the range up. We almost got the position. It is what it is, chat. We missed the position. Not much we can do. We move on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end the stream here because I have a meeting. But I appreciate you, boys. Love y'all, guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time. Alright, take care. We keep going, baby. Same place, same time. I think I'm gonna stream tomorrow, and then I'm gonna stream for NLF on Thursday, and then Friday I'm gonna stream as well, and then next week I'm gonna stream till Thursday, because Thursday I have to go. I'm gonna visit a new city. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want the playbook, so you can take plays like these, so you can, you know, just go to Discord and see the results. So you can get the results, same results that so many other of my students are getting. You can just buy an NLF account worth more than $50, and we will send you the playbook for free. Link in bio for that. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Appreciate y'all. Also, if you want signals, by the way, I'm not selling signals anymore. You have to contact me personally if you want access to signals. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Goodbye. Mwah.